Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating the basics because many problems are simple hardware or toggles. Remove and reset the SIM or swap it into another phone to isolate the SIM versus phone fault. Once done, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds and restart. This forces a fresh network registration. Make sure mobile data is enabled and no data cap is blocking service. Finally, open APN settings and write down current values so you can restore them if needed. You now perform the deeper software fixes that solve most persistent drops. Reset network settings to clear corrupt profiles. This removes saved Wi-Fi and mobile networks but often restores connectivity. After reset, re-enter the carrier APN exactly. MCC and MNC are critical for registration, and protocol IP4 versus IP4/IP6 can matter. Make sure preferred network type includes LTE if available. If problems continue, boot into safe mode to see if an app is blocking service. You're at the last steps. Back up your data and perform a factory reset only when everything else fails, because it removes software causes. Before that, contact your carrier to verify provisioning and confirm there's no network outage or account block. They can also push carrier settings. If still offline, try another SIM in each slot or a known working carrier SIM to isolate hardware. Troubleshooting tip: capture error messages and timestamps, then report them to the carrier or Xiaomi support. This speeds diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.